Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the job of Program Officer in Climate Change. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. There is a vacancy in the Program Officer for Climate Change program, and it is established in Center for Science and Environment is a public interest research and advocacy organization based in New Delhi. CSE research into advocates for and communicates the urgency of development that is both sustainable and equitable. The roles and responsibility: we are looking for an individual who would be integral member of the climate change team, providing data and information analysis and research support in the thematic areas of adaptation, mitigation, policy development, support in various outreach events such as webinars, training programs and network interventions, as well as prolific writer. Publication is an essential aspect of our research-based advocacy, and the candidate is required to dive deep into the critical and unbiased analysis on the varied dimensions of the climate change. It is highly desirable for the candidate to have strong quantitative skills with the ability to represent complex data as easily comprehensible information for policy makers and the general public. Qualification and experience: a master's or PhD degree in natural resource management, environment science, law, economy, international relations, sustainable development or other fields relevant. For the consultancy, a minimum of 4 to 5 years of relevant experience, including in-depth knowledge of climate change policies, programs and good practice, ideally experience in the policy writing and practice of international climate change negotiation, especially the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change and its bodies, experience in developing country climate change needs, experience in reporting on organizational or programmatic impacts will be considered as an asset. Experience of working in international organization will be considered as an asset. Substantial record of research and publication with an emphasis on environmental and climate change management and sustainable development, including non-scientific communications. Essential for the candidate to have strong empirical skills with the ability to crunch complex quantitative data into easily comprehensive information for policymakers and the general public. Excellent demonstrated writing skills and fluency in English is required. CSC pays a competitive salary that will be commensurate with qualification and experience. To apply for the above position, please visit http://jobs.cse, that is cseindia.org, and choose PO-climate. Please submit your application latest by 30th of April 2021 or post it to Ms. Jagdeep Gupta, Executive Director Planning and Operations, Center for Science and Environment, 41 Tughlakabad Institutional Area, New Delhi 110062. Telephone number 011-299-55124/5125 and fax number is 299-55879. Please note that only shortlisted candidates will be informed. So friends, there is a good opportunity. Whosoever is interested, they can apply through the website which is mentioned, jobs.cseindia.org, and choose PO-climate latest on or before 30th of April 2021. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.